7 years ago today, it kind of kicked off my life and experience into the clinical trial world. Because on this day, I learned that the last FDA approved treatment for my cancer had failed. It progressed, and there was no other options other than the clinical trial world. And I luckily qualified for one of them. I'd already started the tests and the paperwork and everything needed to get into it. But today's kind of the day that, in my mind and my memories, that's like, all right, that was it. This was the Hail Mary, the home run, the last shot. And luckily it worked for me. I am forever grateful for that, forever grateful for the drug company, the drug, my doctors, everybody that was involved in it. I'm still alive because of that. But because that clinical trial saved my life, there's a lot of hard things that come with it too. I struggle with a lot of thoughts and emotions and everything because why did it work for me? Why was I given that, lucky shot, lucky, chance? It's like a one in a million thing that I was able to get into that. Everything worked out from how sick I was to getting all the tests and papers signed and just everything. It, you know, one day here, the other day there, it could all not happen. So I struggle with that because there's so many people I know that it didn't work for, that weren't able to get into the right trial, that the trial they didn't work. And what made me so special that, it's allowed me to be here. And I'm very hard on myself for this reason. One of the many reasons I'm very hard on myself, but because sometimes, and I know I don't think I do enough to be grateful for this chance. I don't think I live my life good enough to deserve these extra years that I've got, and that weighs on me a lot. And especially today, thinking because what have I done the last 7 years? I do a lot in the advocacy space, but there's other parts of my life that definitely think I've let go and I've not lived up to what I should have. But also, it's just being able to address these emotions and these feelings is very important because a lot of people don't know about the clinical trial world, and even fewer know the weight and the pressure and just the stress of it working and it living. Because I am alive, I'm grateful for that, but it does come with a lot.